up, YouTube? Oh God, shade. So, welcome back to the video. It is me, Jiggy. So, today we are outside, as y'all can see. There we go. We're outside. So, I just want to put it into the video that we got here safely with our new nice car. So, stay tuned for the video and let's go. Hey guys, we're back. So, we're right now at the little riffraff of the world. Got the buddies with me. Say hey guys. I'm here with the buddies. Alright, let's get rolling. Okay, y'all, so we made it through the steps of doom. So now we are walking up a hill. I'm out of breath already, so yeah. Well, how's everybody's weekend doing? We're great? A+. A+. Yeah.
It's true.
So I guess, hi. Good morning. Hey. Cute little dog. I wish I could bring my dog, but I don't know if he's gonna make it through the wilderness without trying to run.
No, not an outdoors dog.
Well, a little bit, but I mean, he loves being outside because whenever we let him out, he'll just run out to the door. But I don't know if he wants to really walk around in nature.
Right.
I don't know how he would react to other dogs as well. He's like a super big guard dog for me. So.
You can have just two.
As you guys can hear the little, tiny little waterfalls. But yeah, so if you guys are new to the channel, what you gonna do? Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when we dropping those videos. Don't miss out. I have a whole lot of them in store. Ooh. It looks, I thought it was something else. I thought it was frozen.
That was nice.
Yeah. It's pretty smooth through here.
This look familiar? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So, we're watch out for the runner behind us. We are halfway through, right?
Trail running. You can do it, Julie.
I might be learning. I actually probably can't.
Yeah.
So at this point, we probably made an edit or whatever. But we are most likely halfway through, I think. But yeah. Apparently YouTube now, when someone says hit the like button, it makes a little circle thingy and then it lights up. Surprising.
Does it like automatically?
I think so. So you would have to like the video. Have to. Before you didn't really have to, but now you do. Right now, I'm doing a big cardio. My service is gone, so it's the only way I'm getting to you guys. So if I call out for an SOS, please listen. But burning a couple calories, you know. It's pretty quiet here. Not too many people here right now. Got a straight path here, so it's looking pretty good out here. It's not that cold, but is that a rock or a tent? That's a rock. Never mind. I'm seeing things. I'm pretty sure once I get out of this woods and into the car, my phone will blow up because of how many people are going to be texting me, asking me, where am I? What am I doing? And yeah, so. Hello.
Hello.
But here's today's vlog. Sunday, beautiful day out. You guys can hear the water rushing on by. It's amazing out here. Uh-oh. We're going down there? Oh, Becky. All right. Ooh, a doggy.
En wat dan is het snel weg?
I think my next video will probably be a story time of, I don't know what yet, but it most likely will be. I'm thinking about it. I'm trying to figure out a topic to talk about during story time. I might post it tonight and ask what should be my story time. But I'll see you guys when we get to the top of the mountain. We're good friends. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. So, we ending the video now. So,
If it were like this the whole way, actually, it's just my hand.
we're not going to end the video just yet. So,
Yeah.
I will see you guys once we grab something to eat, and we'll see you guys after that. Don't go anywhere. Peace.